Can you imagine what a dirt bike that's been abandoned in a basement for over 100 years would look like after being restored to its former glory? This is a discarded dirt bike that a young man bought at a high price from the secondhand market. According to the seller, this was a championship-winning dirt bike with over 100 years of history. To most people, it's just a rusty piece of metal, garbage you wouldn't even want to touch. But in his eyes, it became a treasure. The young man knew that his father-in-law had participated in dirt bike races, and his father-in-law's 100th birthday was coming up. He had been struggling with what gift to give, so he decided to completely restore this treasure he found in the junkyard and turn it into a birthday gift for his father-in-law. Although he couldn't afford a brand new one, he believed that with his restoration skills, this dirt bike would definitely be brought back to life. What will this abandoned dirt bike look like after the young man restores it? Let's wait and see together. The whole process is incredibly satisfying. Friends who love restoration videos definitely don't want to miss this. To complete this project as quickly as possible, the young man has been working continuously for 10 hours. Finally, the restoration was successful. When the final product was revealed, everyone was stunned. They simply couldn't believe their eyes. His father-in-law was so happy when he saw it that he was jumping up and down. Seeing his father-in-law's joy, the young man instantly felt that all the hardship and exhaustion were worth it. The restoration process was extremely challenging. Can any of you tell what model this dirt bike is? Feel free to share in the comments. Watching until the end will definitely leave you amazed. While liking is a kindness and not liking is your choice, craftsmen work tirelessly from dawn to dusk creating content, which truly isn't easy. I believe after watching this far, you wouldn't begrudge such a craftsman a free like, would you? Please support craftsmen like this. Your support is what keeps us creating. Thank you so much. At this point, the entire restoration process is coming to an end. How about it? Were you impressed? What do you think of this young man's craftsmanship? If the full score is 10, how many points would you give? Feel free to leave your rating in the comments. Comments are welcome. If you also enjoy the young man's restoration skills, remember to like and follow for more restoration videos shared daily. See you next time. Don't miss it.